What happened? How
Well,
come
you have to go to your settings first.
Why is this not even? This should be. My whole page is gone.
You have to go to your settings
Oh, there it
first.
goes. Yeah. Huh?
Well, I think that whatever.
Huh?
Can we change the
Well-
show?
Well, yeah, but go ahead, honey. Daddy's gonna.
Put some on for her.
What is that?
Sure. Dude, she is so hot.
Ooh! Woo! Look at this in my eye!
What?
What are you doing? It's smoking.
It's smoking. Put that in there!
What happened?
You did that on purpose!
No, I didn't. It's all over you. It's all over you.
You did.
What happened to you? What happened? You alright?
You did that on purpose!
I know.
Oh, God!
I think. Well, at least your hair color looks good. Shake it. Shake it.
Come here!
Shake it. You,
Oh, my God!
you gotta shake it. You gotta get it all out.
Oh, my God!
Gotta get that out of there before I use
How
it.
the hell am I going to get this off my hair, my face?
You gotta wash it again.
Huh?
You have to wash it again.
Oh, my God!
Look at Yaya.
Come here, I got something for you.
You'll be
Oh, my
alright.
God.
See how that was.
Oh, my God.
I'm trying to get you out of the room a couple times.
Huh?
I'm trying to get you out of the room a couple times.